Looking for the best beard bibs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 beard bibs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Beard Necessities, Beard Shaving Bib Plus Shaping Comb Kit. Made of comfortable, durable polyester. Comes with a beard shaping comb. Includes a storage bag. Beard shaper is made of heavy wood, so you don't need to worry about chipping it with razor or clippers. This beard bib is a good fit for men who have slender to average necks. Maybe a bit small for men with thicker necks. At number 2. Excisestore, Beard Bib Beard Apron Beard Cape Bib. Nylon construction. Adjustable neck size, unlike many other brands. Attaches to mirror with suction cups. Hooks at ends let you remove from neck and hang bib from the mirror so you won't spill hair if you need to pause and resume shaving. Machine washable. A budget offering with some convenient features, like adjustable neck sizing and hooks that let you take a break mid-shave without spilling. Some find the bib to be too narrow. At number 1. Beard King, the official beard bib. Catches beard and other hair trimmings for simple disposal. Reduces messes and clogged drains. Attach neck straps and secure mirror with the suction cups. Dispose in trash when done. Built-in tray table holds accessories. Can serve as a dop bag for other grooming accessories. Choice of black or white. Catch the majority of hair clippings and save cleaning time. As seen on Shark Tank, this beard bib is designed to keep beard hair off your counters, sinks, floors, and clothes. And it does the job, for the most part. Catches a lot of hair, but not all of it. Hair can stick to the fabric, making it difficult to empty. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.